it would be easier if we could solve with no fractions in the equation. So one thing you can do is focus on one fraction at a time. You can multiply the entire equation by 8, because this is the same as 8 over 1, right? And when you multiply these two fractions to each other, these cross simplify. They cancel each other out to leave you with just 5x, which is much easier. And then 8 times -1 makes -8. And then we still got to multiply 8 times everything, so it's 8x. And now 8 over 1 times 1 over 3, we can multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 1 times 3 is 3. So it's simpler. We still have a fraction. We can get rid of that fraction by doing the same thing, but just multiplying everything by 3. So that's 15x. 3 times -8 makes -24. 3 times 8x makes 24x. And then 3 times -8 over 3, that's just -8 for the same reason. That's the whole reason we picked 3, so that those could cross simplify. And now we have x on both sides, so we can subtract 15x from both sides. That's a negative sign in front of that 24. Then we're trying to get x by itself, so let's add that 8 to both sides. What's that? -16. And then to finish getting x by itself, I'm going to divide 9 from both sides. So depending on your software, this might be how it's supposed to be entered. If they ask for decimal approximation, then you can round to whatever place they ask you to round to. Otherwise, you'd want to type it in as a fraction like this.